my name is Abby, and this is your How to Mama segment with the O'Hares. In our previous How to Mama video, we made 4 baby food recipes in bulk. And if you haven't checked it out yet, I will leave the link below in the description box, or you can just go on our Facebook page and YouTube channel, The O'Hares. As we discussed in the last video, being a mom requires a lot of multitasking and saving, so I prefer to make fresh baby food in bulk. In this video, I'm going to walk you through making some new food and utilizing different storage containers. Now it's time to go to the kitchen. Let's start by making our applesauce with peanut butter. Wash and clean the apples thoroughly and chop them into your desired size in order to boil them quickly. And now we'll place them in a pan with water to boil later. The next baby food we will make is the potato with sausage links. Here, I already peeled the potatoes. Now, I'm chopping the potatoes to the size I want to be boiled. What I have here are 5 sausage links. You can use any meat you want or is available at home to add to your potatoes. I'm going to remove the skin from the sausage links. Then, we'll add them to our potatoes. Now we're gonna make the mixed veggies with fish. I have frozen vegetables here that I got from the local store. I chose this because it's more convenient for me. But you can also buy fresh veggies or pick from your garden and chop them yourself. I also purchased spinach to add to my mixed vegetables. Spinach is an extremely nutrient-rich vegetable. It contains several vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamins B6, B9, and E. It's indeed very good for your little one. Just ensure you wash it very well, especially if you live in a country where fresh produce is imported.
One eternity later.
I already finished washing the spinach and removed the stems, and then I will add it to the mixed vegetables in the pot. Now here's a fillet of white fish that we're going to add to our vegetables, but you can also use any type of fish. Just make sure you avoid using the bony ones like the milkfish. What I'm doing here is feeling the fillet to make sure I removed all the bones. Now all the bones are removed from this piece, and I will chop it and then place it in the pot with the mixed veggies. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The O'Hares, in order to see more of the videos we publish. Now all the food is prepared and ready to be boiled.
2,000 years later.
Come on, let's check to make sure that the food, especially the meat, is boiled thoroughly. Our sausage is cooked. And also our fish and veggies, they're very soft. And of course the apples. Now let's allow them to cool off.
1 hour later.
And now that all our food is cool, let's start processing. We will start with the applesauce. I choose to add creamy peanut butter to my applesauce. Our pedia recommended to introduce peanuts to our little one early. Make sure that you ask your pediatrician prior to adding peanut butter to your baby's diet. There's no exact amount of peanut butter in this recipe. It's your choice on how much you want to add to your applesauce. It's done! It smells really yummy. I think my baby will love it. Now we're ready to put it in the squeezy pack containers. This pouch is great for when you are eating on the go. I will leave a link in the description box and where you can purchase your own. I also have a squeeze station which I used to fill the packs in my previous video. But if you don't have one, you can also use an icing pouch. This squeezy pack can be filled with 4 ounces of applesauce. Next is our mixed veggies with fish. As you can see, I drained the broth from the veggies because I don't want my baby food to be too runny. Now let's process it. Time to put them in the containers. What I have here is a plastic container similar in size to a Gerber jar. I like them because they're transparent and it's easy for me to see what's inside. And it's also easy to thaw individual portions of my baby food. And if you can't find this at the stores in your location, you can also use glass storage containers, silicone baby food storage, ice cube trays, and even muffin pans. You can even recycle your Gerber jars. Lastly, we will process the potatoes with sausage. As you can see, the first time I processed it, it didn't mix because it's too thick. So I'm just gonna add some more of the broth. Wow, there's that smooth and creamy texture I wanted. So here are the baby food that we prepared, ready to be frozen for later. When you buy the fresh squeezed squeezy packs, it also comes with this attachment of spoons that connect to the pouches. If your child likes eating from a spoon or cannot suck from the pouch yet, this is very convenient. It also comes with a ring to attach to anything while you're on the move. This is what it looks like when it's attached to the pouch. Now my little one is gonna try the applesauce with peanut butter. I think she loves it. Yummy! Okay, now time for my little one to have her next meal. This time she will try the potatoes with sausage links. And there she is, eating it nicely. I think she likes it too. I hope you find this video useful and your baby loves the food. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again here at the O'Hares. Bye-bye!
The family stuff that matters.